Welcome to Auto Garage, your one-stop destination for everything on four wheels. If you're into cars, engines, and raw performance, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single review. Today, we're diving deep into something truly iconic, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Yes, it's back, and it's making a bold statement like never before. Now, let's be honest, the Beetle has always been more than just a car. It's a symbol, a piece of automotive history. And with the 2025 version, Volkswagen isn't just riding on nostalgia. They've reimagined it for the modern era, blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology and style. So buckle up, because we're going to take a close look at the interior, exterior, performance, and of course, pricing, to see if this Beetle is worth your attention and your money. Starting from the outside, the new Beetle keeps its distinctive shape. You still get that rounded silhouette that screams Beetle at first glance, but everything has been sharpened. The front end looks sportier with slimmer LED matrix headlights, a more aggressive front grille, and new air intakes that make the car look way more muscular than before. Volkswagen has definitely dialed up the attitude on this one. The wheel arches are bolder, and with options ranging up to 19-inch alloy wheels, the Beetle now looks more like a compact coupe than a retro runabout. From the back, you get a full-width LED light bar, a signature feature in VW's new design language, and a ducktail-style spoiler that adds just the right amount of flair. The paint options this year are stunning, too. Volkswagen is offering some playful throwback colors like surf green and sunburst yellow, but with a modern twist, metallic finishes and gloss black accents give it the 2025 touch. But step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The interior of the 2025 Beetle is a perfect fusion of classic design cues and futuristic tech. The dashboard still has that familiar horizontal layout with body-colored inserts, but now everything is sleek and digital. You're greeted with a 12.9-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system running VW's latest OS. It's fast, responsive, and loaded with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice assistant. Behind the steering wheel, there's a fully digital cockpit that you can customize to show maps, media, or driving stats. The steering wheel itself is a flat-bottom leather-wrapped beauty with touch-sensitive controls. And let's talk materials: soft-touch plastics, ambient lighting, brushed aluminum trim, and even optional vegan leather upholstery make the cabin feel way more premium than previous generations. Comfort-wise, the Beetle still maintains its compact charm, but space is surprisingly generous. The front seats are roomy and supportive with heating and ventilation options. The back seats, well, they're decent for short trips or kids. Let's be real, it's still a small coupe. But the boot space has improved slightly thanks to a re-engineered rear suspension, making it more practical than ever. Now to the fun part, performance. The 2025 Beetle is available in two powertrains. The standard model comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter TSI engine producing 170 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. It's smooth, efficient, and peppy enough for city driving and occasional highway pulls. But if you want that extra thrill, the R-Line version might be your flavor. It packs a 2.0-liter Turbo 4 with 230 horsepower and a sport-tuned suspension, 0 to 60 in just under 6.5 seconds, and it handles corners like it's on rails, something you probably never thought you'd say about a Beetle. Fuel economy is impressive too. The base engine offers up to 35 miles per gallon combined, while the R-Line delivers slightly less due to the extra punch but still remains efficient. And guess what? There are rumors of a fully electric version on the horizon, but more on that when it drops. When it comes to safety, Volkswagen hasn't cut any corners. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, all standard across the range. It's clear VW wants the Beetle to be more than just a style icon, they want it to be a serious daily driver. Now let's talk money. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle starts at around $25,000 for the base model, pretty reasonable considering the design, tech, and brand value. The mid-tier comfort line with extra features and upgraded trim will run you closer to $29,000, while the sporty R-Line tops out at $34,000. With all the bells and whistles, you're looking at a sub-$35,000 price tag for a fully loaded modern icon. And honestly, that's not bad at all when you stack it against other compact coupes or stylish city cars in this price range. So, Is the 2025 Beetle just a nostalgia trip, or is it a legit contender in today's market? I'd say it's both. It brings back everything people loved about the original: personality, uniqueness, charm, and wraps it in a package that's actually exciting to drive, comfortable to sit in, and tech-savvy enough to keep up with the times. If you're someone who loves making a statement without shouting, wants something different from the sea of generic crossovers, or just grew up loving the Beetle, this 2025 model might just be the perfect ride for you. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy the new Beetle? And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Garage for more honest reviews, first drives, and deep dives into the cars that matter. Catch you in the next one. Drive safe, stay curious. This is Auto Garage.